To my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing flexi gel for glowing skin. So stay tuned. To make this homemade cream, I'll be making use of 3 or 4 tablespoons of rice. So I'm going to wash the rice to remove any dirty, then allow to drain. So I'm going to add enough water to boil the rice until soft. Allow the rice to boil until it is very soft. Then when I notice that the rice has cooked properly, I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the rice has cooled down, I'll be adding into the blender and blend into a smooth puree. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to remove to get the blended rice puree. I hope you can see how creamy the rice is. I will add 1 cup of water and boil the flax seed. When I'm done boiling the flax seed, you can see that the flax seed gel is out. Then I'm going to turn off the heat and allow to cool. When the flax seed has cooled down, I will use the chiffon cloth to strain to get the gel. So I'm going to squeeze to get the flax seed gel. Squeeze as much as you can to get the gel. Flax seed gel can work as an anti-aging gel. It will help to remove dead skin cells. Flax seed is packed with omega-3 fatty acid. The presence of omega-3 fatty acid in flax seeds will help in preventing the skin from getting dry. It also contains antioxidants which will help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles. So flax seeds will keep your skin moisturized and smooth. So when I'm done squeezing, I will set aside. I'll be making use of the rice. So I'm going to I will add 2 tablespoons of the rice and 2 tablespoons of the flaxseed gel. I will add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil helps to moisturize the skin. It will minimize the appearance of scars and also help in treating fine lines and wrinkles. So when I'm done adding, I'm going to mix until well combined. When I'm done mixing, you can store this in a container and keep in the fridge for about 3 or 4 days. Apply this on a clean washed skin. You can apply it on your face, hand, neck, and leave it for about 30 minutes. You will notice that it will harden and tighten your skin. Then after about 30 minutes, you can wash with cold water and moisturize your skin. For effective results, repeat this at least 3 times a week and apply in the evening. You will notice skin tightening and it will help your skin to glow. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.